Good morning. Today we are going to do the third chapter, safety and the first aid. Let's begin. Accidents may happen with anyone, anytime and anywhere. We should always be careful and follow safety rules to avoid accidents. This is activity time also shows this. Here you can see we have to take the pictures which follow the safety rules and cross those which do not follow the safety rules. In picture 1, boy is using candle, which is wrong. He must not do this, it can harm. In second, the boy is using blade, cap, knife. It is also not good for boy. So we also cross that one. In third picture, lady is walking with her daughter on footpath. She is following the safety rules, so we should take that one. And in fourth, boy is leaning out of the school bus. It is very bad. It may cause a accident, so we should not follow it. Cross it. Safety from fire. A fire can be caused due to the gas leakage, electrical faults, or careless handling of candles, matchsticks, etc. So we need to follow some rules. First is, we should put off the gas regulator immediately when not in use. Second, in case of gas leakage, neither strike a match nor operate any electrical switch. And third, open all doors and windows. Then call an adult for help. Fourth, we should replace the faulty gas pipes. Then check wiring and electrical appliances regularly. So we should replace if any fault or break found. Then be careful while handling matchbox, candles, firecrackers, etc. And not to wear nylon clothes when handling fire because these clothes can catch fire easily. And if it occurs that a person clothes catches fire, he or she should be rolled onto the floor until the fire is out. She can also be covered by a blanket to put out fires. A fire can be put out by following method also. In case of a fire accident, immediately call an adult for help and inform fire station. Emergency number of fire station is 101. And in case of a small fire, use fire extinguisher to put it out. In case of electrical fire, switch off the mains immediately and do not use water. Use sand, mud or fire extinguisher to put out electrical fire. In similar way, in case when the fire is caused by petrol, throw mud and sand instead of water to put it out. Because petrol is lighter than water, it will float up on water and continue burning. You can see the picture showing here. Don't operate electrical switch in case of gas leak. Don't strike a match in case of gas leak. And fire extinguisher bottle here, you can see here. Safety on road. We should always be careful on the road. On the roadsides, we see many traffic signs. We should follow the traffic signs to keep ourselves and others safe. Look at the traffic signs showing speed breaker, no entry, school ahead, no U-turn, zebra crossing. We should follow the traffic rules for our safety and for others also, as not following these may cause an accident. First aid. What is a first aid? It is an immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. It can prevent the condition of the victim from getting worse. So let us read about some first aid tips. First is first aid for burns. First aid for burns. In case of a minor burn, hold the burnt area under cold running water. You can see here. Till the burning sensation becomes less, and then apply an antiseptic cream or a paste of baking soda and water on the burnt area. It will relieve the person. First aid for animal bites. What we should do to get relief. In case of an animal bite, wash the affected area with soap and water and apply an antiseptic lotion. Cover the wound with a bandage. If required, take the patient to the doctor immediately. As in case of a dog bite, we need to just take the patient to the doctor. A rabies can occur, so we should take these preventive measures. In case of bee stings, we need to apply a paste of baking soda or toothpaste to get the relief. And in case of a snake bite, tie a tourniquet or a hanky just above the bite to stop the flow of blood to the heart. Immediately rush the victim to a doctor. Don't wait for anything, just tie a tourniquet and run for the doctor. Now you can see first aid for fracture. What is a fracture? A fracture is a crack or a break in a bone, and we must not try to move the fractured part, so it need a support also. And if it is in hand, a cloth sling like the showing here in the figure can be used to give support. The patient must be taken to the hospital immediately. A cardboard can be tied. You can see here a cardboard is inserted here, tied around the fractured part to give support. This acts as a splint which prevent the movement of fractured part. First aid for a sprain. A sprain is caused when the tissues around a joint get torn. The affected area swells up. On the swelling, rub ice till the swelling subsides. You can see how it gets swollen. So we need to rub the ice only. First aid for nosebleed. We need to keep the patient upright with his head held back as shown in the picture. Pour cold water on the patient's head and also press the bleeding side of the nose firmly. This will stop the bleeding and get relief to the patient. So these are the safety rules. We need to follow it to be safe. Now go through the questions for practice and learn the chapter. Thank you.